This AI tool allows you to make 36 presentations for free in a year and also does a pretty good job at making them. So, if you want to know how to make PowerPoint presentations for free using AI within few minutes, make sure you watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. The AI tool that we will use is called Slides AI and you will find the link to it in this video's description. Click on Install Slides AI and you will get the option to download its extension. Click here on Install and select the Gmail ID that you want to use. Click Continue and then click Allow. You should remember this email ID because we will need it further. Now go to Google Drive and sign in with the same account that you used to install the Slides AI extension. Click here on New, click Google Slides and click Blank Presentation. In the slides, click on Extensions and you will be able to see the Slides AI extension. Slide over it and click on Generate New Slides. You will see this pop-up where you can give some basic information to make your presentation. First, you can either provide only the title or bullet points, the entire script or just the source. Depending on what information is available to you, you can select any one of these and provide the AI with relevant data. I will go with just the title. I will enter digital marketing just for the sake of demonstration. Click Continue. Here, if you want something specific to be included in your presentation, you can enter it. You can select the presentation type here. I will select educational lecture. Audience, let's select high school students. Tone of voice, explanatory. You can select these options according to your preferences and click Continue. You can select whether you are presenting this to a live audience or just sending it for someone to read. I will keep it to presenting live and enter the duration of presentation to be 5 minutes. Click Continue. Now you will get the outline of your presentation with the slide titles and a short preview of what will be present in each slide. You can add slides in between if you want. To make any changes, you can click here on Edit or you can regenerate the entire content. After clicking on Continue, you can select the presentation style and you can also add your logo to each slide. Here we have the option of adding images. If you select the first option, I have seen that sometimes no images get added. So I will recommend you to either select AI images or stock images. I prefer stock images because the AI sometimes makes errors in the images and I need to regenerate them again. On the top, you can select any style that you like and then click Generate Slides. The AI will now start making our presentation and this process will take some time. So I will skip to the part where our presentation is ready.
A few moments later.
You can see our presentation is ready. Let us check it. First, we can see that there is no title slide. On the next slide, we can see that the text is very small. So first I will make it large. Next, I really like the layout of this slide, although the text somewhat overlaps here. Next, we have benefits of digital marketing, the real world examples and conclusion. We entered a 5 minutes presentation, so we have 5 slides here and I will say this AI has done a pretty good job. In colleges or even in offices, there are days where you need to make presentation just for the sake of it and you need to spend a lot of time looking for good template or arranging the content properly. In these cases, when you need a quick presentation without putting in a lot of efforts and also want it to be visually appealing, you can definitely use this AI tool. If you go again to extensions on Slides AI, you will get options like Magic Tools and Edit Slides with Slides AI, which you can use to make changes to the completed presentation. If you go to the pricing section of this AI tool, you can see that we can make 36 presentations with its free plan, but there are limited number of character inputs per presentation and limited AI credits available. So if you want more of this, you can go for the paid plans. Selecting yearly will get you some discounts. You can also go for the team plans, allowing more members to use it, and we also have an institution plan where you can purchase the licenses in bulk and get even more discounts. However, most of your needs will be satisfied with the free plan. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that allows you to build websites, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.